Okay, welcome. So, materials, color paper, any color or white paper, pencil, and the glue stick. So let's begin folding this paper in this position. Fold half, half, like this. And here, where you are folding, you need to push hard as possible, or use your fingernails and pinch the folding and push like this using your nails. It's easier than using a scissor. Then fold back the same. Use your fingers and your fingernails too, mostly your fingernails like this, and then fold back again. Again, push hard with your nails, like this and like this. Then open the paper and push like this so you can cut the line, but do this slowly so that you don't rip off the whole paper. And then you're gonna have two rectangles. Well, we're going to work only with this one. Here we're going to do the same procedure. Is fold half like this, push, and then again it's like use your nails on the folding line like this, push hard, and then fold back, and the same, push with your fingernails like this, then fold back again with your fingernails, this and like this, and then open, and the same. It's like cut slowly like this, push one side and one side slowly, and you're gonna have two rectangles. We are going to use only one. And then you need to fold in this position, not like this but like this, the length of the rectangle. Fold half and do the same. Is push hard in the folding line, on the folding line, with your fingernails like this. Use your fingernails, fold back, and the same with your fingernails on the folding line, push hard, fold back, do the same like this and like this, and the same, cut slowly like this, and you're gonna have two long rectangles. So again, we're going to use only one. You can do later another helicopter if you want to. So now this rectangle you're gonna fold half like this, and here on fold, take your pencil and mark here freehand, go straight as possible, mark the half folding like this. Yes, as straight as possible. And then, can you see? There. Then calculate half centimeter on this direction like this, and go with the line freehand as straight as possible. If you want to use a ruler, you can use a ruler, but it's gonna take more time. So try this. Freehand, go straight as possible. And on the other side of the middle line is the same. Is calculate like half centimeter, make a mark, and then make a line as straight as possible like this, easy and slowly. and then mark the line as straight as possible, freehand, like this. Okay, so now turn it around, and here half the rectangle. You can do this if you want to. It's like fold, but not too hard, just to imagine where is the half of the rectangle, like this. Yes, and trace a mark, trace a line here, right in the middle. Trace a line again, freehand. Try to go as straight as possible. Follow the folding if you want to. Yeah, go, 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 go. Half and mark. There. Can you see? And on the other side, turn it around. It's like you're gonna take, for example, this rectangle and mark half, but on the other side of the line here, like this, and mark, trace a line again, freehand, as straight as possible, and mark. And here is the same, is half of this rectangle, imagine on the other side that is the half, and trace a line, freehand, as straight as possible. First trace and then mark. Okay, like this. Then take your scissors, and first you're gonna cut this part, the half rectangle here, until this line, so go like this, cut, 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 cut until the line, like this. You have like two legs, and here you're gonna cut like this. Is this line, the line that is up the middle, this line until this rectangle, until this line, like this, there, and on the other side too. Here, cut until the line of the rectangle, like this, and like this. Yes? Okay. The next step is these two folded, following the line to the middle, like this. Yes? And the other the same on the other rectangle, like this, like half and half. Yes, half and half. And this, you're gonna fold them one inside and the other like inside, like this, and the other outside, like this. This and this, see? And this part, this one here, you need to fold like one, a small folding like this, and two, a small folding. But what you need to do is use some glue stick, put some here, and paste it when folding like this. Yes, cover your glue stick, put aside the materials, and now here you have this paper helicopter. How? Well, you hold it up and let it go. You see? My table is too short from the camera, but it's like, you can see it like folded like this, these two are the helix. So it's like hold it from a high place and drop. You see that it's turning? Well, you can use it like that. You see? Here we go. And it's flying now. Okay? There. Have fun. Bye.